Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to all my students and friends on this my YouTube channel, Sir Abroad Lectures. So that my heartbeat request to all my friends, if you new on this my YouTube channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Now we start lecture about biology. Today we learned about introduction to biology, chapter number 2 solving biological problems, chapter number 3 biodiversity, chapter number 4 cell and thesis, chapter number 5 cell and cycle, chapter number 6 enzymes, chapter number 7 bionutrients, chapter number 8 nutrition, chapter number 8 transport. Inshallah, we start about first lecture about this introduction to biology. So that's we start it. Introduction to biology. What is biology and where its subject started, and what is the definitions of biology, so that we learned about it. So let's first question of this chapter, we say that unit, what is science? As you know, science is the study in which observations are made, elements are done, and logical calculations are done in order to understand the principle of nature. Science is a basic concept of word and knowledge. We say that in the many things of our life and applications, science is usually we use in all life elements. So in which what is science is the definition that science is the study of which observations are the made, elements are done, and logical calculations are done in order to understand the principle of nature. Second question, why the scientific knowledge are classified into different branches? In ancient times, we in ancient time means old times, all the scientific information were included under one head. Science with the passage of time, scientific information increased many folds, and their enormous scientific knowledge was then classified into different branches like biology, physical, chemistry, and mathematics, etc. Question number 3, what Dr. Abdul Salam told about scientific knowledge? According to Dr. Abdul Salam, scientific knowledge is the common heritage of mankind. What is biology? Question number 4. It's question related about the first question. Question number 4. What is biology? Describe the major divisions of biology. Answer of this: the scientific study of life is called biology. Example of word biology. The word biology has been derived from two Greek words. Bios meaning life, and logos means thought or reasonings. Second, what we study in biology. The study of biology helps us in studying the structure, functions, and related aspects of having organism. It also provides information and remedies of main problem regarding health, food, environment, etc. Major division of biology. Biology can be divided into three major divisions. Zoology. This division of biology deals with the study of animals. Botancy. This division of biology deals with the study of plants. Microbiology. This division of biology deals with the study of microorganisms, ingredients, herding. Question number 5. Today inshallah we completed to our 10 questions, so that in next lecture so we regularly guide you and tell you that how we learned. step by step. So that the question of 5, define definition different branches of biology. In order to study all the aspects of life, major divisions of biology are further divided into different branches as defined below. Next, this is the terms and his definitions. That microbiology, this branch deals with the study of form and structure of living organism. Entomology, the study of internal structure called anatomy. Histology, the microscopy study of tissues is called histology. Cell biology, that's as you know that biology is a big and large subject, though there are many branches and many terms of condition in this subject. It's a large subject, is not to stop. This is the major subject, and this is the including the all major aspects of studies in this subject. Number 5, physically biology, this branch is with the study of the functions of different parts of having learning. Mm, Number 6, embryology. Embryology, it is the study of development of embryology is new individual. Number 7, taxonomy. Sorry to this, taxonomy, it is the study of the meaning and classification of organisms into groups and subgroups. Genetics, the study of genes and their role in the inheritance is called genetics. Interest in the transmission of characters from one generation to the other. Paleontology, paleontology, it is a study of fossils with the remains of extinct organisms. Environmental biology, yeah, as you know, it is with the study of the interaction between two organisms and their environment. Biotechnology, it deals with the principal applications of living organisms to make substance for the welfare of mankind. Sociology, number 8, sociology, sociobiology, this branch is with the study of social behavior of animals that make societies. Number 8, parasitology, this branch is with the study of parasites. Inshallah, we'll learn you next on time. So about these definitions and all the major application in our life and human surviving. So that take care and you learnt about it. So I humbly request to you, first time you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for next time. Inshallah, we present a new lecture about this. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Learnt for life.